Hello, wonderful people, and welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, is all about spirituality. I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem. Also, using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plant, natural root, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energy, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, you are just coming in contact of this page for the very first time, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video. On your right hand side, turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos. And for those of you who are my day one gang, my bona fide subscribers, my returning viewers, those of you who has brought me this far, those of you who have been supporting me in money and in kind, those of you who have been patronizing me, buying my spiritual material, I pray for you that this year, whatsoever you could not achieve in the year 2023, you will achieve it this year 2024, and so shall it be. Without wasting each and every one of your time, in today's video I want to share with us a very simple recipe or method that you can use to banish witches and wizards, to stop anything monetary spirit, to stop anything tormenting of evil attack or evil spirit in your home or in your life. Some people's home are being haunted spiritually. When you are in your house, you notice the presence of evil spirit. Sometimes you'll be falling sick. Even when you go to the hospital will not be able to dictate what your problem is, but you know you are sick. Every night, the spirit comes in your house to molest you, to torment you, to make every member of that family to feel uncomfortable. If this is your challenges, if you have been facing all of this, please watch this video to the end and help me share it with your family and your loved one. In this year 2024, I want everybody to be spiritually awake and spiritually strong, because I am here to waken up the sleeping lions, not the sheep. This is not a time to play with the devil. This is a time to tell the devil enough is enough. So if you are ready, I am ready to you. Let's share this simple recipe that you can do and say goodbye to every evil attack. Yes, you just need 2 ingredients for this assignment, and the first one is our garlic. Garlic are very powerful to banish witches, to subdue their powers, and to reduce all their supernatural powers. So we are going to be using our garlic. And the next item is your charcoal. Yes, if your house is being haunted, each time you are in the house, you will notice that something always enters that house, a spirit. And once that spirit comes, you will feel cold and scared. Sometimes they come with a very strong wind or a very strong noise. Your head will be big. Everywhere will be windy, as if there is somebody pushing the window. But when you check, you will see nothing. Sometimes you start hearing sound of birds. You start hearing sound of people walking around in your own house. Please do this, and by the grace of Almighty God, all those things will stop. At times it looks as if they are blowing evil air, and once you inhale the air, you start feeling pepperish. At times it feels as if somebody wants to struggle you. All these things are happening to a lot of people that are watching me on here. At times you keep something in your house and the thing will be disappear, while you are not living with anybody in that house. Nobody have your spare key, but every time your things will be disappearing. Listen, let me tell you, people around you are witches. They are keep trying to manifest their witchcraft activities in your body. Yes, that is why I am here with these 2 methods that you can use. And these 2 methods will banish every evil attack, every demon that is living in your house. This particular method that we are going to use is going to be 2 methods. It's going to banish them. But before I go in to tell you how you are going to do this with charcoal and your garlic, I would like to introduce my product, because it's called Walk and Chop. On this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands, and a lot of people has been buying it, and it has been from testimony to testimony, from one testimony to the other. If you need any of this product that I will name on here, don't hesitate to grab your own copy. As I am available on WhatsApp, you can chat me on WhatsApp or call me on the phone. We have the curse-breaking soap. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the road opening soap. We have the love and favor soap. We have the favor soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We also have the spiritual cleansing bath detox. If your things are not working well, if you are experiencing a lot of blockages in your life, disappointment, failure, hatred, is when you use this spiritual cleansing bath detox to take your bath, you will see everything that is making you not to attract good things will disappear. We also have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. Is it something you eat in the dream? Is it a manipulation of the evil person? Is something crawling all over your hair from your hairs to your toes? Is something moving inside your body like a snake? Are you feeling sick day and night? Are you having scratches and burning in your body? That is evil manipulation. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. This product is tested and trusted. I can beat up my chest 100 times and tell you a lot of my fans all over the world has testified of this product. So if you need this product, don't hesitate to call me. My number is +234 7088 136610. +234 7088 136610. That is my number. Also feel free to communicate with me if you have any spiritual problem that you need me to look into. You want us to join our faith together to solve your spiritual problem. But before you do that, remember there is nothing free, even in free time. God bless you for coming on here to watch my videos. If you need any of my product, don't hesitate to chat me up on WhatsApp, and God bless you. Without wasting each and every one of your time, I have come with those two methods that will help you to banish every witchcraft spirit, every evil spirit in your vicinity, in that home you live, that familiar spirit that used to come inside our house, that power the occultic people used to operate in your home. This is the recipe that can clear it off. When you get your garlic, you will need to peel it. Yes, when you peel it, as you peel this garlic, you have to peel all the body. After peeling it, you have to be 7 pieces. Then after peeling it, you get your charcoal. You add your charcoal to a white plate. You must do this with a white plate. Yes, to banish witchcraft, to banish evil spirit, to banish manipulation of the evil ones. As you peel the garlic, it is going to be 7. You add your charcoal. As you add your charcoal, then what are you going to do? Is it that your room? Yes, is it that your room or that your entrance door? Go and put this at your entrance of your room where you sleep, and the corner of your bed where you sleep. You will notice that those evil manipulations will disappear. Those sounds will disappear. You will never be scared again in the night. Those ones that come when you are sleeping, you will notice again, because they will all run away. When they see this thing in your door, when they see this thing by your bedside, this will make you to sleep very well and reduce every form of bad dreams. Some people, their problem here is bad dream. Anytime they close their eyes, they will be seeing themselves in an ugly place, in a place they cannot be in physical life, or the place they cannot go in physical life. You see yourself in the beriaga, you see yourself swimming, you see yourself masquerade chasing you, you see yourself snake chasing you. All these things are signs of the witchcraft. You see yourself gathering with people you don't know themselves, fighting in the dreams. This is witchcraft initiation. So use this to put an end to such dreams, and by the grace of God, you will be fine. The next method, get your charcoal. Even if it is as big as this, divide it into 3. Put it in a bucket of water you want to use to bath. Then get your garlic, 7 pieces of garlic. Yes, remove the bark and peel it and put it in a bucket of water of that charcoal. Pour enough water and use it to take your bath before you sleep. And when you are bathing, pray, tell God that you don't want to experience anything witchcraft in your life. You don't want any demon to come and attack you again. As you sleep, you want to have a sound sleep. You want to wake up healthy and sound. Some people, whenever they wake up, they see marks all over their body, as if somebody came to fight them or scratch them at night. And whenever you pour water on your body, you start feeling very hot, as if somebody pour pepper on your body. These are signs of serious witchcraft attack. So use this thing to bathe every night before you sleep for good 7 days, 14 days, 21 days. As for the charcoal and garlic, anytime the garlic gets spoiled, replace it with another garlic, and make sure you keep this in your entrance door and your bedside. By the grace of God, all these things will stop. If you have a child that cries on godly hour, please keep this by the child bedside or his pillow or the bed sheet, and the child will sleep like a baby that she is or he is. Yes. And at times, if you always have problem with your partner, it's not ordinary. It's those spirits that are living with you that are causing it. So put this in front of your door and your bedside. Tell God to see all those forces that is coming after your home, coming after your marriage, making your home to be uncomfortable, that God should, through this recipe, remove it. Yes, go and try this out and come back here with your testimony. This is how you can banish witchcraft. You can banish evil attack with just charcoal and your garlic. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. Please don't hesitate to subscribe, don't hesitate to like, don't hesitate to share, and don't hesitate to call me on the phone if you want me to do anything for you spiritually. God bless you. Have a nice day.